Hello and welcome back to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a super soft and rich eggless chocolate atta cake. No oven, no eggs, but full of flavor and love. In a bowl, take half cup curd and 2/3 cup sugar. Mix until creamy. Use fresh curd for the best texture. Add 1/4 cup oil and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix well. Whole wheat flour makes this cake high in fiber. Curd adds protein and improves digestion. Now sift together 1 cup whole wheat flour, 3 tablespoon cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Combine the dry and wet ingredients. Then add 1/4 cup milk and mix into a smooth batter. Don't overmix the batter, just fold gently for a soft crumb. Grease a 6-inch mold with oil and place a baking paper. Pour the batter. Cocoa contains antioxidants that lift your mood naturally. A guilt-free dessert option for kids and adults alike. Top with some chopped almond. Insert a toothpick to check. If it comes out clean, your cake is done. Place a pan with a wire stand. Preheat for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Cook the cake for 30 to 35 minutes on low heat. Always preheat your pan for even baking. And your soft chocolatey atta cake is ready to enjoy. Whole wheat flour adds a nutty flavor that pairs perfectly with chocolate. Eggless cakes are soft when made with curd. It works as a natural binder. You can bake this same cake in a cooker or even an air fryer. So here's your delicious eggless chocolate atta cake. Moist, rich and baked without an oven. Perfect for every sweet cravings at home. What's your favorite healthy cake flavor? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Oven Cake and Cookies for more simple and tasty homemade bakes made with love.